Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use the absolute reference in Excel. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. I just want to calculate here percentage of the each student. Okay, just is equal to 85 divided by 100. Okay, this is a percentage I get 85 percentage. Okay, I just drag this formula. See, I can get the different percentage, but when you observe it is calculated wrong percentage. Okay, it comes from relative reference. It as a get when we drag the same formula on first cell, you get the same relative reference. I want to fix this 100 b2, but when you see here it's get b3, b6, b9, but I want to fix this b2 to calculate the percentage for every student. Okay, so you can see here, if you want to see the formula, you can click on the formula tab and click on the show formula. Okay, you can see here the what is the exactly formula, drag and get in this table. Okay, if you want to again hide, you can click on the show formula. Okay, now we have to calculate the correct percentage. Okay, just delete all this. Okay, again is equal to 85 divided by 100. Okay, I want to fix this 100. For fix 100 you just press F4. Okay, then enter and then drag this formula. You see here the percentage is perfectly calculated. Okay, this is a absolute reference. Okay, you have to fix some amount to calculate your data amount. Okay, that's it. Thank you.